In today's video, I will introduce you to an AI trading platform, a platform that uses artificial intelligence for those who are involved in or want to professionally engage in trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, and futures. I will give you a 25% discount on the platform for those of you who click on the link you will find in the video description and enter the coupon you will find below. I should say that this coupon is valid for a limited time only. So if you are watching the video at a later time, it might not work, so check it out. We'll see it shortly. Of course, I'm talking about the TrendSpider platform, which was designed to address 4 key trading issues: technical charts and analysis, strategy development and testing, idea generation, and trade timing and execution. Now, at this point, let me mention who this platform is intended for. Yes, many things are automated, because as we will see, it is trading bots. It can perform technical analysis automatically. Everything is automated. However, it's not that it's not for beginners, but you need to have some understanding. You need to have engaged with trading. You need to know what you're reading. You need to know how to read basic charts, at least candlestick charts, to perform basic technical analysis and to know how to recognize signals. What I mean, for example, this platform provides you with great tools and shows you huge opportunities for entering a trend or exiting if you want to short, buy, or sell opportunities. But here's the thing. The platform won't tell you to buy now or sell now. Obviously, it doesn't work that way. What it will show you is by using the appropriate technical tools, such as technical indicators, like the RSI, MACD, Ichimoku clouds, etc. It can show you directly, without you having to do it manually as we did. Until a few years ago, it shows you immediately, with the help of artificial intelligence in real time where you are. Now, for example, let's assume here that we are applying the Ichimoku clouds to a stock chart we are analyzing. So here, when this line crosses with this line, it is a strong bullish signal, meaning it's a strong entry point, a strong buy. But if you don't know this, the platform won't tell you. The platform will give you the signals, it will show you the opportunities. That's why I say you need to have an understanding of the basic indicators and how to read charts, how to perform technical analysis to use this powerful tool. So, after seeing all this, and if you want to engage professionally in trading stock products and cryptocurrencies, this platform will literally make things much easier for you. And let's quickly take a look at something because it's a bit tricky to handle. Let's look at the key points that interest us. What mainly interests us are these here: that you can do a trial, test your strategies in real time, as well as set up trading bots. And of course, scan the market to quickly identify entry opportunities. Now let's take a look at the plans. Let's look at the prices, because I have to say it's a bit expensive. This platform, and it's logical because it essentially gives you these entry opportunities with a few clicks in a few seconds. It really shows you when to buy and when to sell so that you can continuously make profits. It is ideal for day trading, I should mention, at this point, for those who want to have small profits on a daily basis, or even for scalping trading. So here you see it has 3 plans. The cheapest one is from right to left as we look at it, which essentially gives you a 14-day trial period for $19, and then it ranges from $59 to $89 per month. Of course, here in the standard plan, I should mention that it has a more limited number of transactions. For example, it includes 5 trading bots, while in the next plan, the premium, it includes 10. So it depends on what kind of use you want to make. And also, the standard plan, if you only want to trade stocks, it covers you. However, if you want to do futures trading, you will need the premium plan. So it depends on what financial products you want to trade and how much you want to use it per month. I remind you again here that if you click on the link you will find in the video description and use the coupon I write below, you will get a 25% discount. Having seen these, let's see how it works. I remind you that it has 4 main functions. technical charts and analysis, strategy development and testing, idea generation, and trade timing and execution. Let's take a look at these one by one. TrendSpider Smart Charts are a new way to navigate the market. The platform can instantly detect chart patterns, trend lines, support and resistance areas, fib levels, and much more with just one click. If you remember in the past, we used to draw trend lines ourselves, by hand, meaning we would find support and resistance points, and try to draw those lines. Approximately. Here, the AI does everything automatically. With multi-timeframe analysis, you can easily combine your favorite tools from multiple timeframes into a single chart. And by using the multi-symbol view, you can monitor up to 16 tickers simultaneously. With these fully automated charting capabilities, sidebar widgets such as seasonality and unusual options flow provide access to the data you need to make more informed investment decisions. Alternative data like market breadth, short volume, and dark pool volume help provide a sense the market trends. And also, let's mention here that another interesting feature that TrendSpider has, which other platforms do not, is that besides candlestick charts, it also has the so-called raindrop charts. What this means is that they look like raindrops, and indeed they do resemble them. It's similar to candlestick charts, but differs in that it shows you the trading volume for each candlestick. That is, when the candlestick is thin, at the top, so to speak, it means there wasn't a large trading volume. Whereas when it is wider, it means there was an increased trading volume. Of course, you can take your analysis with you wherever you go by using the mobile app. With the app, you can do the same work from anywhere with your phone. There is also a Chrome extension with which you can, when you create real-time charts, every time you encounter a ticker symbol on the web, in the news, or on social media, or if you're searching for a stock, for example, and want to instantly draw trend lines or use other technical indicators for your analysis. To avoid opening another tab and logging into the application, wasting time, you can do it instantly with the extension on whatever page you are on. Additionally, you as professional traders, you don't react to the markets impulsively, but use systematic strategies, something that TrendSpider does for you in a few seconds. With the TrendSpider Strategy Tester, you can test your favorite strategies in any market, from stocks to cryptocurrencies, futures, forex, without needing to write a single line of code. It offers a powerful set of statistical metrics that you can use when refining your strategies. And as you execute your strategy tests, you will be able to visually see your entries and exits on the chart and gain valuable insights into how your metrics change from strategy to strategy, allowing you to quickly see which performs better for each case. Now, the Price Behavior Exploration chart offers a powerful visualization that helps you understand the performance of your strategy, which was backtested from entry to exit. It allows you to measure a wide range of statistics to understand the potential path the price will take, which you can then use to further improve your strategy. It offers many ways to generate new investment ideas. They have the most powerful scanner in the industry on this advanced AI platform for charting and pattern recognition. With this, you can scan technical or non-technical conditions using up to 4 time frames, which you'll find on the platform. While doing so, you can run up to 6 scanners simultaneously in the sidebar and mix and match conditions, watch lists, and indices in each one. Here you will also find dozens of pre-built scans to help you get started. Additionally, with the What's Happening Now tool, you can monitor the latest news events, insider corporate transactions, earnings announcements, analyst ratings, and many other investment data in real time. Then, with more than 700 watch lists, you can have a real-time view of the top traded names, what Wall Street bets are watching, recent halts, and much more. Now let's move on to an interesting tool from TrendSpider, which is the trading bots that naturally facilitate the automation of your trades. With these, you will react to the markets faster and with greater accuracy. and you will never miss the ideal entry or exit opportunity for trades again. Instead of watching every candle that passes on a stock chart, for example, let the trading bot do that for you. You can create a dynamic alert on any visual element of your chart, from an automated trend line to a pattern or an indicator. All it takes is a right click and a few options to set the style and pace of your alert. You can even use multi-factor alerts for your more complex setups, those that contain conditions spanning multiple timeframes, indicators, etc. With trading bots, you can turn any strategy you've created in the strategy tester we saw earlier into a fully automated trading bot with position awareness. You can use trading bots to execute trades, or simply test your strategies through buy and sell alerts that never expire. Essentially, the bot provides you with buy or sell signals. The signals from trading bots can also be sent to Discord, social media, or any other external system that can accept a webhook signal. And best of all, no programming skills are required. The trading bots are built with the exact same point-and-click functionality as all the other tools we use in TrendSpider for technical analysis. Now, in trading, ease of use and speed are key when it comes to trading. Imagine spotting an entry opportunity in a trend and spending half an hour searching for where the indicators are, how to test your strategy. By the time you find all that, the trend might have passed. Because navigating a platform like TrendSpider can be difficult, there is a very useful AI tool called Voithos, which you will find at the top right where it says Assistant. Instead of navigating through various menus and options, you can enter short commands, such as finding a golden cross on the S&P 500 or Walmart earnings. You can write whatever you want here. For example, add MACD, put the RSI, remove the support points, color various candles for me, etc. Whatever you tell it, it executes. The assistant immediately identifies what you're looking for and will execute the command. Finally, you can create custom, smart checklists that automatically check every condition that interests you, including indicators, fundamental data like earnings or splits, technical terms, price action conditions, patterns, candlesticks, and more, and create a readable, color-coded checklist for you, so you can know at a glance whether the conditions you have set are present or not. I remind you, you will find the link for TrendSpider in the video description. Until then, stay away from scams and see you in the next video.